Hi everyone, today we will do legal dictation exercise number 21. You can get the PDF from description box. So ready? Start. In all these cases at hand, the High Court does not appear to be focused on the requirement to have due regard to the qualification required by the agreement or other consideration necessary to secure appointment of an independent and impartial arbitrator. It needs reiteration that appointment of the arbitrator or arbitrators named in arbitration agreement is not a must, but while making appointment twin requirement of subsection 8 of section 11 have to be kept view, considered and taken into account. If it is not done, the appointment becomes vulnerable. In the circumstance, we set aside the appointment made in each case, remit the matter to the High Court to make it appointment keeping in view the parameter indicated above. In the aforesaid decision of the case of Northern Railway Administration held that the High Court in the said case did not appoint to have focus on the requirement to have due regard to secure the appointment of an independent and impartial arbitrator. In the aforesaid decision, this court also concluded that since the requirement of subsection 8 of section 11 was not at all dealt with by the High Court, its order the appointment of an arbitrator without dealing with subsection 8 of section 11 of the Act become vulnerable, and accordingly some appointment must be set aside. Similar is the position in this case. In the case also before appointing an arbitrator versus 11(6) of the Act, the High Court has failed to take into consideration the effect of section 11(8) of the Act as was done in Northern Railway Administration. In view of the discussion made herein above and particularly view of the principle laid down by this court in Northern Railway Administration, we set aside the impugned order and remand the case back to the High Court for fresh decision of the application under 11(6) of the Act, and while considering the application afresh, the High Court directed to take into consideration the aforesaid decision of this court. It is clear from the perusal of the judgment of the High Court and the recorded before us that the High Court has not terminated the mandate on the ground that the arbitrator could not pass the award within time. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel Steno Star.